So, how does your day look like if you had to really put it up very quickly?
Okay, so first is
We want to know about your skincare routine.
yeah,
चमकता हुआ कोरियन स्किन के बारे में
वैसा
बताओ.
तो ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं यार, बस पानी पियो, मॉइस्चराइज एंड
झूठे?
यूज
सच्ची बताओ.
see okay on maybe on weekends you can just like apply a face mask or something.
Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Sheikh. Welcome to my podcast Chai Shai with Aisha, powered by Procast Studio Dubai in association with AMG Dish Tech Solutions, your one-stop solution for all your printing, designing and digital marketing needs. Plus special thanks to our travel partner Takeoff Tours. Today I have two of the most beautiful souls, like the fame name वाले आज मेरे साथ बैठे हैं hot seat पे and I'm so happy. The fame Mariam from Emirates Loves Pakistan and Mohammed Shahid, Emirates Loves India से. So thank you so much for coming and gracing my podcast. अरे वी VIPs आ गए ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को feeling. So I know you guys have a very hectic schedule, but thank you so much for giving your valuable time and welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
जरा हंसो रे बाबा.
Thank you so much. Okay.
कंटेंट क्रिएशन पूरा निकालना है तुम लोगों ने बाहर.
Any, thank you. It's an honor to be on Chai Shai.
Oh, very Jan. And it's your first?
It's my first time on this podcast and it's so lovely because Aisha invited me and I invited Mariam and I was like, okay, let's do
Let's
this.
do it.
Let's do
करके.
it.
And it's the best part of this podcast is India and Pakistan coming together.
Yes.
Emirates loves India and Pakistan and the unity you have. We all have here in Dubai. It is incredible. And I've seen the way you two have worked together for different events, and that just shows the bond between India and Pakistan here that we celebrate. Now, moving forward, I do know that your name is not Shahid. We start from there.
Yes, it's actually very weird, but I kind of adopted it. My name is actually Mohammed because in India it's not that common. Like
Yes.
people can just say Mohammed, but over here everybody's named Mohammed.
Yes.
So everybody now calls me with my dad's name, which is actually Shahid. So I was like, okay, fine.
I
that's fine.
called you Mohammed in the beginning, then we ignored the Mohammed and I ended up being there Shahid.
Yes,
Because
yes.
even my son's name is Mohammed Sufyan. We don't call him Mohammed, we call him Sufyan.
Yeah.
तो मुझे वैसा लगा. So
Yes.
I'm glad you busted this myth कि भाई इनका नाम नहीं है Shahid, but yet we'll call you Shahid.
But it's fine. I don't mind.
Okay, so we move forward. I do know that you have come from diverse backgrounds, especially yours, Shahid. We'll come back to that. But I'm going to talk about this Dubai kid, born and brought up in Dubai
Yes.
and doing content creation. Obviously, coming from a conservative family background.
Yes.
How is that possible that you have landed into this field?
Yeah. So, yes, I was born and raised here. So for me, I think the family was, yes, the background is conservative. But my parents were very particular about, education and, we done, reading was a very lot of focus at home. And I think that put in my interest towards journalism. So I'm a media graduate. I've practiced journalism here in the UAE. And that's where storytelling comes to me. So I don't really consider myself, these days where we call it as, influencing or influencers, because I strongly believe in a story rather than, looking at something that's either trending or it's famous. Yeah. Or let's call it, jumping on the bandwagon. No, because if I feel that if I worked so hard and my focus has always been journalism, and let's just say, let's talk about good stories. Let's talk about stories that bring positivity, that bring inspiration, that focuses on social impact. That's been my always, that's been my focus. And even when I was doing news stories, that's what I would, look for. And let's say I'm blessed that an opportunity came in, and this is what my work requires me to do. So slowly and gradually, it's I don't think it's working. It's just become a passion.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice to know, Mariam. We move forward to you, Shahid.
But also, I'd like to add something to Mariam. just because of her background, because of the tehzeeb and tamiz, and the way she's like, she is who she is. You can see that in the content also. Like her content is more journalistic. It's more inspiring. It's more about success stories and all of that. Whereas, like she's not drifted towards content creation as such.
Yeah.
She has that journalistic, successful kind of stories, kind of that's what she brings to the table.
Yeah.
So
What you said is right. I've seen some of her videos. It's amazing the way
Yeah.
you have put up the content. It's not like वो होता है ना थोड़े ये ले लो वो ले लो. You have seen
exactly,
that people
exactly,
throwing
yeah.
products. Shahid, how about you? Your story I've heard and it just gives me goosebumps. You've oh my god, I want you to talk about it
okay.
if you're comfortable.
Yeah. I mean, sure. See, I feel I at the end of the day, what makes me is not my problems. What makes me is what I've learned from it. So I was born here in Dubai, but then my parents got divorced when I was like around 3 years old, and I lived with my dad until like school time, and my dadi was there. She took care of me. She used to feed me. Whatever she could do, she did for me. And around college time, when I was in college, my dad got married to somebody else. So I was there with my dadi, and like then she was there to support me however she could, and she passed away actually. So I had to like from college itself. Then I had to like find a way, because it was at that point where I couldn't finish my graduation. So I had to work, because I need to pay fees for my education. Obviously, like every kid, like a kid, every person, as I was a kid, I had dreams to do this, that. Like I wanted to become an architect. I wanted to get into like something like buildings and all of that. But listening to the fees in India, I couldn't do it. So I got into like media, because that was the next best thing. And I finished my graduation somehow, and I got into like content as such, like content writing and all of that. Then I found out about advertising. When I found out about advertising and media, I learned that okay, there is like this whole world of entertainment where I could write scripts, I could act in them. There's theater, there's media, all of this. So I slowly, gradually, while I was doing advertising, parallelly I started getting into films, writing short films, XYZ. And I was living alone all this while, I was living alone, managing. So I had to keep a job. And eventually, I found myself in a stable job, better pay, better, workplace. And I was doing like managing I did some savings, did advertising, started filmmaking. I have written like around 15, 20 films. Some of them have won awards. I have worked with good big names in the industry, and those are my mentors, right? They taught me what I know about scripts, films, XYZ. So that's like that's what I did for like around 25 years of my life until I came to Dubai.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
so
It's a
inspiring.
beautiful story, huh?
Isn't it? Goosebumps आ जाते हैं इससे. मतलब you've been a hope to so many people out there जिनको लगता है कि मेरा दरवाजा ही नहीं खुलने वाला है. And कितने लोगों को इतना ये inspiration. This part I don't think anyone knows here in Dubai. Do people know this part?
No, I don't think so.
This is the first time you're telling it in
Yes.
public. Okay. Ha. We move
This is
forward.
what you call, inspiration in a sense. Ke, no matter you can
Self-motivated.
go through tough times, you keep hustling and this is my goal. I got to do it. I got to do it.
Yeah.
It's a slow and steady process. It's
But
human
he didn't
nature.
give up. That's what I'm
Because at
happy about.
times, unfortunately, where we see much younger generation says it's a shortcut. Let's do it quickly.
Yeah.
If I don't get something in 6 months or in a year, so that means just keep changing or do different things. The beautiful part is the persistence is there, the patience
Yes.
is there, and you go and you go and you know that it will happen. I
Yeah.
think that's the natural thing. I think we
Yeah.
should not fight against nature.
And more about like it's not like I had a choice. I don't have anything else. Like I was almost at the bottom. I was at the bottom. There is no giving up after that.
Yeah.
I have to do it. It's not about giving up. It's more about self-sustaining. So I had to do whatever I had to just to like survive. So I did jobs, I did my passion. Like, you know, I believe in this one philosophy is that two things will help you survive in life. One for the kitchen, one for the soul.
Wow.
So, like, you know, advertising helped me in my kitchen, and acting, filmmaking, writing helped me in my soul. So, for my soul. So,
That's a new line.
Yeah.
Kitchen and soul वाला ये तो मैं use करने वाली हूँ. Well, okay, that was so good. Moving forward, how did you land up in Emirates Loves? You're famous right now because of this page, Emirates Love India and Pakistan. मेरा तो इनसे मिलना हुआ thanks to him that he introduced me to you. And Chak De India was the event where I met him. This handsome boy was like wearing white and I was like recording us. बख्श आ जाओ हमारा footage आने वाला है. The next day I see his put that. I was like, wow, Anam, हम लोग आ गए. And she's like, yeah, your guys, there babes. ऐसे बोल दिया. And I was very happy. सिर्फ एक वो छोटा feature से ही. And then I ended up meeting him, being in the DM and talking to him. Such a sweet soul, happy soul. लग रहे थे छोटे बच्चे हैं. Just 27, bro. Like my छोटा भाई भी छोड़. He's like in his 20s only, 25, 26. I could feel वो vibe आ रहा था मेरे को. So I'm so glad I met, and knowing your journey today, I'm so proud of you.
thank you so much.
And Mariam, you are breaking all the stereotypes. You know, you are showing that a hijabi girl can reach here. It's not easy reaching this point, and I'm very proud of you for what you have done. And I'm sure many other girls out there will take this as an inspiration. That content creation can be clean. A hijabi girl can do it this way with a dignified manner.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of you. We move forward. Abhi मेरे को बताओ Emirates Loves में कैसे आ गए दोनों. We can start with you.
So Emirates Loves, I think when they started operating in 2021, I did see a few videos.
2021 it was.
Yes.
Ah.
So I did see a few videos, and you know, somewhere that you come across them, and I was like, oh, this is something very nice. And then one day, so I do community service at this place called Pakistan Association Dubai. So at that point, the project coordinator had come to just network because they didn't. They wanted to get more stories.
Okay.
They were looking for Pakistani stories to cover. So she walked in, she said, you know, I look for stories. So I said, okay, we can, because since we're a community, and Mega, you can, you know, feature this thing, we can, you know, source you stories. That's fine, great. But then when she was filming for a second story, she just wanted a presenter.
Okay.
She said, oh, we don't have what to do, how to do. Can you become one of, can you just narrate it for us? So for me, it's pretty natural. But I was like, but why do you want me? Like, you know, I mean, I don't know. You're supposed to come and cover the story. I'm here. I'm feeding the story to you. And that day, I gave her the time slot because, and after that, the next hour, I had my badminton training session. So I was not even prepared and dressed up and, you know, nothing of that sort. So I said, okay, I don't know, whatever I have, if you're comfortable with this, I'll come on screen and give you audio and video. So we did that. That was literally the first one for Emirates Loves Pakistan. And I think when they got that, they said, we want to work with you more.
Wow.
So after that, she would send a videographer to do, you know, we want you to narrate the story. We want you to give a face shot and voiceovers. It happened and continued to happen. And then one day I just told him, okay, if you guys like are looking for someone and you come back to me only for this, then let me know. If you're interested, then let's formally work together rather than doing it informally. So I think that's when they were looking at inducting someone to do that. At that point, there were non-Pakistanis doing stories for Pakistan page. So they were looking for a Pakistani to look into the content for Pakistan because they wanted to highlight communities here. So it's just coincidentally that I was prepared with my storytelling. I was already experienced. And this was the platform they wanted someone. So let's call it destiny.
Yeah.
And the quote that we always hear that, you know, success, you know, it comes where preparation and opportunity. So the opportunity was there and I was already, you know, prepared. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
That's how it
very-
was. So you did the inception for Emirates Loves Pakistan then.
I didn't really do the inception, but I would say probably of the early faces for
You were
Pakistan,
there.
Yeah.
is Pakistan that came there because there were non-Pakistanis writing stories and producing for them.
Okay.
And at that moment, they said we want someone to be on screen.
Okay.
So I said okay.
Mariam, I have a question for you. Like you're a Dubai kid, you know, it is very highly possible, like even for my kids, you know, they get disconnected from the roots.
Correct.
So how do you represent Pakistan in such a beautiful way?
Yes, I do get this a lot. I think the credit goes to my family, and also goes back to my, I think, reading and that news thing that gets you connected to where you are, who you are, and then of course partially I did my, let's call it, high school from a Pakistani school.
Okay.
So that really helped. So that really helped me. Today, I'm so proud that I'm glad I did that. And my parents made that decision for me so that I can very flawlessly read Urdu. I can write Urdu.
Wow.
I can, produce something in that context and not proper one. Because when you do exams for Urdu in grade 11 and grade 12, that's solid
Yes,
language.
yes.
So that really made a difference. And above all, I believe wherever you are, you should be proud of your identity. That's who you are. You can be, you can go anywhere, whatever you do, your identity will give you more respect. That makes you who you are. So I've always felt that. And this is why have always been taught, okay, what you have, you should always be giving back in some way or the other. And then the best way of giving back is if you give it somewhere closer to your own, within the circle. I think that also then got me into community service at a Pakistani community center, which eventually supports everybody. But you feel like you're with your like-minded people. You can connect with the right culture.
Right.
And then I think when this came in, so it's everything blended together for some reason. The UAE thing connected because I knew the geography and let's call it the history, the information. We learned it from grade 1 and it was likewise for Pakistan. So it just came in together naturally, I would say.
Wow. Okay, that's amazing. And credit goes to your family members as well. They wanted to connect you to the roots because
Yes.
that's parents do not really take the initiative nowadays, and perhaps that's the reason.
I take so much, at that point when I moved to that school or that surrounding, I was wondering like why did my parents do this for me, because Urdu was so hard for me, like I barely passed. So 33 is the passing mark.
Yeah.
I got 37. I got 37 initially in grade 7.
Yeah.
I wanted to cry. That was like the most difficult subject for me.
Yeah.
But when I would have started, reading and trying to get to it, Urdu became the easiest for me. Growing in grade 10 or 11. And it really helps me today.
Yeah.
It's like anything you can pick up on socials. So yeah, I think, and I'm very sure that it's my parents that made that choice and made a difference.
Alhamdulillah. I'm glad they did that, and I'm glad because of that you are in Emirates Labs and you are here with me as well today. It's all linked
Absolutely.
together.
Absolutely.
Okay, Shahid, how about
Yes.
you? Can we have a little bit of Hindi as well or Urdu, whatever
Yes.
in middle? Let's have it this way. दोनों थोड़ा
I think ये
informal
better.
रहता है, हाँ ना? Okay. So Shahid, आप बताएं, how did you come to Emirates Labs India?
मेरा जो स्टोरी है एक्चुअली इट्स मतलब बहुत अनबिलीवेबल है लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट बिलीविंग दैट स्टोरी बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ इट हैपेंड बट मैंने आपको जैसे बोला कि इट्स व्हेन द यूनिवर्स कॉल्स यू हैव टू लाइक
Go with
ओबे
the flow.
इट यू हैव टू गो फॉर इट तो एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई वाज डूइंग एडवर्टाइजिंग कर रहा था, एक्टिंग चल रही थी इंडिया में, तो यही 3-4-5 साल से मेरी वही चल रहा है. जॉब कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद रियाज कर रहा हूँ, वीकेंड्स को परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ. दैट वाज माय लाइफ. आई वाज हैप्पी विद इट. बट फिर क्या हुआ कि कुछ जो मेरा जॉब था उसमें थोड़ी दिक्कत आ गई कि वो कंपनी है वो बंद हो रही थी.
Okay.
तो एट दैट टाइम आई हैड टू लीव द जॉब. और फिर पिछले कुछ 3-4 साल से तो मैं एक्टिंग कर ही रहा था. And I had barely scratched the surface. Like, you feel that like यार कुछ तो हो, but कुछ हो नहीं रहा था.
हाँ.
और मेरा ऐसा है ना कि if I don't work, मेरे पास खाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है. That was my life. I wouldn't have money to pay the rent. So I have to do a job. तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, बहुत सोच रहा था क्या करूँ बिकॉज दिस इज़ वॉट आई लाइक राइटिंग, आई लाइक एक्टिंग, and this is what I wanted to do. Okay. And shout out to my boy Abdul Tayyab, 80 Ghost Places. He is also a content creator. He's been my childhood friend. Before all of this, before he also moved to Dubai around 3 years back. And he told me that there is this page called Emirates Loves India. उसने Emirates Loves India के साथ कुछ वीडियोस बनाई थी एज अ फ्रीलांसर. तो उसने बोला कि यार तुझे इधर अप्लाई करना चाहिए एज अ फुल टाइम राइटर, एक्टर, whatever, because as a presenter. तो मैंने बोला यार पता नहीं, अभी दुबई का तो यार मैंने कुछ मैंने देखा भी नहीं है. अभी इंडिया में मेरा इतना सब कुछ सर्कल्स है, एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं, ये वगैरह. तो मैंने बोला यार कैसे होगा ये सब, मुझे उधर मेरा घर भी नहीं है, जॉब भी नहीं है ऐसा. तो उसने बोला अप्लाई तो कर तू, अब टेस्ट दे दे. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है चलो मैं टेस्ट देता हूँ. तो देयर वाज अ टेस्ट, उन लोग का कुछ टेस्ट हुआ था. I think at that time, they were opening application.
Okay.
So I had given that test. और वो जो HR था ना वो टाइम पे, जो who was coordinating this, he had gone for a leave.
Okay.
और वो जो टेस्ट दिया मैंने, उसके बाद मुझे कुछ कॉल बैक नहीं आया. और फिर मैंने वो HR से एक बार बात किया था आफ्टर गिविंग द टेस्ट द नेक्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ. आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई वांटेड टू चेक ऑन माय एप्लीकेशन. He's like, are you calling from India? So he's like, yeah, I am. No, it is only for people living in Dubai. Okay, this was around April or June. Okay, and I was like, okay, cool, thank you so much, And then I left it. So at that time, somebody else was hired. During that time, somebody was here. There's a girl. So she was doing content. I was just watching her content, she was good at it. She was Mallu. And after 2 months, I was still struggling for a job. And I was like क्या करूँ, कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा बहुत फ्रीलांसिंग आ रहा था, तो उससे मेरा रेंट हो रहा था, थोड़ा बहुत खाने का हो रहा था. मेरे को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था. बट फिर मैंने ऐसे ही, अब मेरे फ्रेंड से ही बात करता है 80 Ghost Places, दैट क्या करूँ यार, अभी स्ट्रगल तो है ही. तो लाइक तू आ जा, दुबई आ जा, just take a decision on a whim, who cares? So I decided that okay, I'll just book a random ticket. I'll book a visit visa. I took a visit visa. I booked a random ticket. It was so random. Like at 10, I remember very clearly at 10:30, I was just thinking for like 3-4 hours. Like I just booked a ticket and I was like, okay, I'll just go. I'll see whatever I can do. I'll apply, go to places. If
There's
I get
nothing
a
to
job,
lose.
I get a job. If I don't get a job, it'll be like a 2-month vacation.
Yeah.
Okay. So I applied, and I applied for the visa. I got the tickets, and I booked the tickets for 5th of September,
Okay.
2023.
Teacher's Day it is.
Yes. 5th September 2023. I came here. I stayed at my friend's place for 7 days. And from day one itself, I was applying everywhere. Like LinkedIn खोला, डाला advertising agencies, because that is what I have done all this life. और मुझे it was such a heartbreaking decision for me, because यहाँ पे acting का इतना कुछ नहीं है, right?
Yeah.
You don't get to act in films, web series, XYZ. You'll just get ads वगैरह. So it was a very, very, very tough decision for me, but I had to take it because my life was actually almost like in a coma. I couldn't figure out what to do. So I came here. I stayed at my place, my friend's place, for 7 days, and then I started applying. And within the first 7 days, I got an offer from an advertising agency. I did the interview. They wanted me as a creative director because I have like 7 years of experience. 6-7 years of experience. And then they're like, okay, you come in as a creative director, you handle our social media, this, that. I was like, okay, cool. They sent me an offer. It was a very good offer. And I was like, I will think about it. And you know what happened? I was just like, on a whim, I decided that, okay, I had applied for this company, Emirates Loves, no? So maybe I should just call, like, just call the HR, talk to them that, like, I'm here, just like maybe Allah kare ke kuch nikal jaye. So I called the HR and I was like, hey, I'm Mohammed. I had applied back from India and all of that. I was like, and he was like, oh yeah, Mohammed, I remember. Oh, you were in India, right? You were selected. Your application and your test was so good. Why didn't you come? I was like, I was in India. How will I come? And you told me that it is only for Dubai people. So I was like, okay. Anyway, I'm come here. I've come here in Dubai, and I just wanted to check if I can meet you. It's like, okay, come. And he called me and he told me that you have come at such a right time, because at that
Wow.
exact time that girl had quit.
It was all placed.
It was all fixed. Imagine, I just want to just tell the people also that whatever is written, no, will happen. Like, imagine if I had come 1 week later or 1 week before, that job would have gone,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because come on, there are like 3.5 million Indians over here.
Yeah. Is
They would
it?
have, huh?
3.5 million है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, कितने इंडियंस है भाई? Just 60,000 people came just from our page. So you see, it doesn't take much to get another Indian
Yes,
hired,
yes,
right?
yes.
It is so easy. Like,
Yeah.
you just put out an application, you will get 10 Indians. So imagine a boy coming all the way from India on a random ass decision, and just calling the HR, and I got the job. It
Yeah.
was a stroke of luck. It was like an astronomical something,
पूरे
right?
सितारे एक साथ आ गए लाइन में
Exactly.
तुम्हारे.
And it was so unbelievable. And then I started working with Emirates Loves, and I'm just so grateful, and I'm just like, I cannot believe myself. I'm seeing all of these foreigners who have come from like UK, Europe, taking pictures of Museum of the Future, Emirates Towers, and I'm going there for work. Like, I'm working there. And I've come into a different world where I get to do what I love and get paid for it. So
Yeah.
that was the moment when kitchen and soul came together.
Together. That's
Yes.
what, yeah.
And I love this job. I'm so grateful for it. Every day I go, I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm grateful to Allah for bringing this to me. And every day, even this event, we had worked on it, as you know, for the event. We were working on it for 2 months. It was so stressful, but I enjoyed every moment of it. I loved staying busy. I'm so blessed. And that's how
I
it is.
want you all to
right?
talk about this event because this is the talk of the town.
Yeah.
Okay, ये महीने में जो सबसे बड़ा इवेंट हुआ है यही हुआ है. 60,000 का क्राउड.
Yes.
जबील पार्क एम्फी थिएटर हिल गया पूरा वहाँ पे. It was wow kind
Yeah.
of event, and I think it was out on social media just 3 weeks prior.
Yes.
Correct.
Just 3 weeks. But the
Correct.
planning happened prior.
Yes.
Yeah,
So 2 months से आप लोगों की प्लानिंग चल रही थी. 3 हफ्ते में 60,000 लोग. I don't think it's possible
Yeah.
for anyone to do that.
Yeah.
किसी ने नहीं किया हुआ इतना. Because usually even the ones who does this kind of events वो 6 महीने पहले प्लानिंग करते हैं. You all took it as a challenge. It's your first event doing this way.
Yes.
Emirates of पाकिस्तान का तो हुआ था. 30,000 तक का
Yes.
क्राउड था. वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में था ना.
Yes.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे को किया था आपने. But Emirates of India का ये फर्स्ट इवेंट है.
And yeah, exactly. So as I told you, I don't have any background of events.
I know.
I just took whatever I got from
Yeah.
Mariam, from Ahmad, because these guys are veterans. They know Dubai, they know the people, right? Because I'm just 1 year old over here. I got this, I came here on September 5th. On September 18th, I had the job.
Wow.
So just a quick, because I'd been with the company for quite some time. So we had, prior to him, we had this girl. So in the India page was going through a rough patch. So we had a team that was doing, the team had left, left the job for whatever reasons. And then we got another 2 people that were doing stories for the page. And randomly, a lot abruptly, I would say, the girl, she was doing really well, but she had her, let's say, her reasons. I think that happened around that she had to move out, And when she had moved out and we heard that she's like, she's leaving, because you work in a team, so you do care for what happens to your colleagues or their work. So that moment when I found out that she's leaving and she said, I've left, I have to go. And we're like, oh my goodness, what's going to happen to the page? What's going to happen? Who's going to come? How are we going to deal with it? Because at the end of the day, it's a team. It's like, what's going to happen? Because eventually our KPIs or the success is, it's a collective success.
Yes.
So you're like what next? And then the next morning, you find out Muhammad sitting there, like, who is he? And I'm like, okay, now he's a new guy for the India page. And I don't know if he remembers, but the first day he was trying to make notes on a phone because he didn't have a laptop because it was day one. And he's like, how do you do stories? Can you tell me? How do you do that? But something that I really appreciated, which I think I wouldn't do, I wouldn't be able to do, is the confidence he had. He went to absolutely new place, and he just said, "Can you tell me how you do a story?" And I know if I was in his place, I would have probably sat down, observing, looking, being so shy. How do I now ask for help?
Yeah.
But I really loved that thing that he went up front and he said, "Can you tell me how you do a story? Can you break it down to me?" Like I tell you, okay, I'll break it down for you, but this is how I do. I want you to do it your way, because eventually it should be your passion, creative way of doing it. But this is the outline. And mashallah, I think he picked up really well. Like literally day one, he picked up, he was doing it in Hindi, then he started doing it in English. And I think he did a great job. And I think the purpose of he coming in there was because they wanted at that point to get to the content to be a little in Hindi. And our previous colleague was unable to do that. So he came in a spot because, again, he had the strength of a language.
Yeah.
The positioning was because he had the strength of a language, and the position was just went, like it was, she had an emergency, so she had to go. And he knew Hindi, he came in the right moment, like with the sweet spot.
It was all
And so is right. Like what we say is what is meant for you
will come
is meant
back.
for you. This is what we tell our colleagues as well when they get stressed about things. And even with this event, I was getting so stressed. I was like, listen, what is written for you will happen.
With the basic sources you have started.
Yeah.
Reconnecting, it was completely different. On my event day on the stage, he's like, Aisha, I have to talk to you about an event. I said, okay, कौन सा event है? I'm doing this big one. Oh, आ रहा है. And I do not have the glue. And मैंने हाँ बोल दिया. पहली बार किसी को मैंने सुने बगैर मैंने वो हाँ बोल दिया. इनकी शक्ल देख के. He was looking way too handsome that day as well. मैंने स्टेज पे बोली, you're looking very handsome. मेरे husband को भी बता रही थी. He has done something to his face करके. And then because you've maintained yourself so well, it's very unusual for men to do that. तो वैसे हमारा शुरू हुआ था conversation, and then I said हाँ बिना सोचे समझे. बिकॉज ये बंदा इतना चीट तो नहीं करेगा, कर लेगा जो भी है. एमरेट्स लव्स का पेज है, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली आई न्यू हिम, एटलीस्ट द वाइब आई कुड गेट. तो वहाँ से मैंने कनेक्ट किया, एंड ही वी फिगर्ड इट आउट. सो ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम क्या क्या चल रहा था. माई गॉड, शाहिद, यू हैव टू नो व्हाट आई वेंट थ्रू बिहाइंड द सीन.
I don't know.
To get there. I think events is altogether a different podcast. I can tell you.
Yeah.
It's we kind of share the same stories, and more or less it happens the same.
Same, yeah.
But it's a different ball game. It is a different ball game, and by now I think he will agree to it.
He will obviously, because वो change शाहिद 2.0 हो गया था. So he's still in there.
Yes, the thing is that I'm that kind of a person who's not afraid to ask for help.
That's very sweet.
I don't really have anything that okay मेरा इससे कुछ कम हो जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा. And the biggest thing for this event, and even like my career in Dubai, is that I've got such wonderful ladies around me who have absolutely no kind of like ego, no kind of like holding them back. They will help me, like Mariam. Because I remember first day itself, like I went directly to her, like because she looked like
welcoming,
like ours, like ours, like somebody who's from us. So I went to her, I told her that I want this help and all of that. And then I met Sneha for this event, who's also like, okay, I just met her at another event. I had gone to cover some stories and I connected with her and I was like, I'm doing this event and all of that. And she did not expect anything out of me. She did not tell me like mujhe ye chahiye, wo chahiye. Nothing. Even for her logos to put on the media wall, I had to ask her that send me your logos. Exactly same happened with you. Like, I came to you, I saw you for the first time. We did that interaction of that Chak De event. And I was like, okay, wow, she's nice. And then we met you invited me for this mind maths competition. And over there, I just straight away saw how you interacted with the kids. You were so effortless with them and you made them feel like a family. Like you're not just a teacher, like you're a mother to all of them. And you were so proud. So I just straight away asked you that, hey, we have this event and I need your help. And you straight away said yes. So that's what, like, like everything is like, all the women around me are so helpful. And that's what makes me whatever, like, do all of this.
So in case में 3 लोग हैं यहाँ पे, you, me and Sneha. Wow.
Yeah. So 60,000 people came for this event. But इसके पीछे बहुत सारी complication थी, बहुत सारी help थी. So first of all, Ahmad Hamurai, who manages the page of Sudan, he was one of the most implemental part of this. Like, all the permits, all the headache of location, stage, this, that. So he managed all of that because he has done events before. Then Mariam came in with like, the more personal support where she's like, taking care of me, going through the script, calming me down, helping me out in wherever I can. Like, tension ना लो, ऐसा कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है.
खाना खा लो.
खाना खा लो, exactly.
We do that in the office
खाना
because
खा
we
लो.
feel like, I tell him कि मुझे, with experience of events, sorry to interrupt you, but कि we get so busy and at times जो हम कुछ important decisions ले रहे होते हैं या हम stress में होते हैं, हम reactionary हो जाते हैं, we don't realize कि it's because हमें भूख लग रही है या we are tired. So मैंने कहा बाकी कुछ करो नहीं करो, I don't know, but you need to eat. Eat a cereal bar, but eat something that will make you work. You will be work with a energetic mind.
Yeah.
So she's like always like a mother of Emirates Loves. Always bringing breakfast.
It's a big word.
Yes, like always she's bringing breakfast. Always the thing I like about Mariam is she's always composed and calm. Like, she'll never lose her cool. Like I have never seen her losing her cool. Even with her event when it was so stressful, I can imagine her stress level. It must be reaching the roof, but I never saw her like stressed. She may be tired, she may be upset, but she's never like stressed or panicky or anything like that. So that's one quality that comes with experience. That me, I lack. Like, I will stress. I'll start blabbering. Yeah, I'll get like, a little bit offensive to some people. Yeah. So with this event, especially because the thing is,
it's your first, we can give you that benefit of doubt.
Yes, it's my first event. I don't know most of the things that happened. Most of the things that happened because of the help and because of I was winging it. Like, so I had help from outside, like Sneha. She has been an amazing help. Like none of my office people know that because I met her at an event and we just connected and I just told her that we are doing this event and I need to bring all the associations together. And she has really good connections. So she reached out to them. Like she managed so many things and she did not do like she did not ask for anything. And coming from her, it was like so unexpected, no? Yeah. Like it's not like I know her from years. Yeah. I just met her.
Yeah.
So she managed the parade. She managed the cultural stalls. She got all the associations together. She calmed everybody down. She answered all their questions. So everybody has different expectations. So that's why bringing them all together was a bit difficult, but everybody was glad because we are doing it for India.
Yeah, at the end of the day, that's what we said, like I had certain things to discuss with you. Ki usually, Shahid, this is what happens in the events. And then I told Aisha, but ये ऐसे नहीं होता. I said, I am completely with you. नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, हम इंडिया को represent कर रहे हैं, इससे बड़ी बात हमें कुछ नहीं है. That was on one line, but whatever came was unexpected.
Yes.
You actually did good.
And then I met you at an event, and it's not like we also know each other from like long.
भी नहीं.
We just connected. You just invited me for this event. I told you I want this. Will you be able to do it? You said yes. Khalas. Like, you know,
Khalas.
that was the end of
It was very quick.
Yeah, very quick. And that was like, did not even take so much time. And there were not many complications also. When it came to dealing with you, you did everything. You contacted the schools, you answered their questions, you managed the PODs, you brought them all together,
Schools.
you arranged the buses.
50 plus schools.
Exactly.
I had good time with them. और मुझे by heart मालूम है सबके नाम वहाँ पे.
And I know that in the backstage, like जो के बात मुझे मेरे तक आई भी नहीं होगी, आपने कितने complications face
I
किए
didn't
होंगे.
have to bother you with
Yes.
that. But then, yeah, my team does know about it. But हाँ, हमने काफ़ी इवेंट्स कैंसिल किए उसके वजह से, क्योंकि मेरे लिए ये इवेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था, बिकॉज आई नो द हार्ड वर्क ही इज पुटिंग. वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग आवर कंट्री, इसमें कुछ कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. जान लगा दी हमने. बाद में जब मिनिस्टर भी आए थे, आई थिंक फ्रंट पास पूरा फिल हो गया. फिर बाद में जब मैंने बाद में देखा, जब अंधेरा हो रहा था, भाई वहाँ पे जगह नहीं है चलने के लिए.
Exactly.
मैड crowd it was.
And I was also worried about that because open park में क्या होता है ना, धूप बहुत है.
Yeah.
People don't want to come and sit in the dhoop from 12.
Yeah.
But we started, like, you know, we thankfully the show director herself, she was so very well managed and she was so trained. Diana, shout out to her. She was like, we started 1 hour late, and the thing is, the agenda that I had planned was very tight, which I felt that I would have asked Mariam beforehand, that she would have guided me, ये निकाल दो. But अभी मैंने plan कर दिया है. There is no way out. So it was tight. So we had to like finish all of it before Maghrib, right? So she was so well. She somehow squeezed everything in due time, and by the time there was Maghrib, His Excellency had come. We did all the awards, and like just before Maghrib we finished all those awards, and that was like right in time, because अगर Maghrib हो जाती ना वो टाइम पे, तो वो 15 मिनट का और लंबा ब्रेक हो जाता.
Yeah.
So and then at that time you could not ask the sheikh to sit more, right? So it was so well. I was also stressed. Like I was stressing. I forgot all my MC and all of that का stress. Like मैं भूल ही गया कि मेरे को स्टेज पे जाके बोलना भी है.
Nobody complained, not a
Exactly.
chewy from anyone.
Exactly.
Because I gave them a gist, be prepared for the unexpected, I said.
Yeah.
And that's one thing I closed it. But I said, as a family, we'll work together and we'll make it possible. And event वाले दिन इसके calls यहाँ पे लोग नहीं आ रहे. मैं बोली अल्लाह बचाओ. Will you believe the parade started without me?
Yeah.
भाग गए. मैं देख रही हूँ, मैं इनको बोल रही हूँ कहाँ जा रहे हो? पीओडी बच्चे चले गए सामने बैनर्स लेके. मैं उनको भाग रही हूँ, एंड मेरे स्कूल स्प्लिट अप हो गए, एंड आई एम रनिंग अक्रॉस द होल ऑफ जबील पार्क विथ माई चप्पल्स, एंड पता नहीं कैसे भागी हूँ मैं. पूरा ओलंपिक में भागती तो प्राइज लेके आती इंडिया के लिए. इट वॉज लाइक दैट. फिर उनको रिफ्रेशमेंट्स वगैरह दे दिए, भेज दिए, एंड वी वर लाइक सॉर्टेड.
60,000 people.
No, it was honestly, we were all very worried.
Yeah.
He's right. And anyways, it was a lesson that he's right. शायद लोग
But you know the
धूप
end
में नहीं आना
product.
चाहते हैं. तो शायद yeah, I think वो धूप ही, I agree, वो धूप is a factor.
Because
But then
धूप थी.
हाँ नहीं,
And नवंबर में उतनी नहीं
नहीं,
होती.
प्रॉब्लम ये था ना कि हमने जब प्लानिंग की थी ना, स्टार्टिंग जब जुलाई या उसके जून के टाइम पे प्लानिंग स्टार्ट की थी ना, तभी क्या हो गया था, वी वर प्लानिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ लास्ट ईयर्स रिकॉर्ड कि लाइक लास्ट ईयर नवंबर वाज वेरी प्लेजेंट,
Yes.
राइट. वी थॉट दैट ओके नवंबर तक आते आते सब ठंडा हो जाएगा,
होगा.
कुछ इतनी धूप नहीं रहेगी. बट दिस ईयर इट वाज
I know.
like hotter.
एक दिन पहले I got migraine coming to the place over there because it was so hot and I had a busy day whole day. और मैं सोची कैसे रहेंगे बच्चे. मैंने सबको फिर बाद में सबको बोला कि कैप्स लेके आओ, बिकॉज फॉर PODs एंड ऑल वेरी पर्टिकुलर यू हैव टू बी. स्कूल के बच्चों को भी बोलते हैं खिला पिला के लेके आओ, यहाँ पे धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है करके. जैसे तैसे मैनेज किया, एंड द स्कूल डिड, एंड द वॉलंटियर्स आर टीम एज वेल. इट वाज ऑल सॉर्टेड. यहाँ से मैं जान में जान आ गई. अल्लाह.
नहीं, alhamdulillah, it was an amazing event, and it's okay. I feel कि entertaining shows जो होते हैं ना, वो शाम में ही busy होते हैं.
Yeah.
तो शायद it was the first time for all of us, honestly, on such a scale. Park.
Yes.
It was a scale. I agree. It was like we were equally worried, and we were all doing that कि बस इज्जत रह जाए.
Even for us, it's the
At the
first time.
previous night, me and Ahmed मैंने कहा listen, I think इधर दोनों में से कुछ एक होगा. Don't worry, because again look, it's a good show. देखो trust, because इन्होंने the lineup was nice. So if the lineup is nice, it's good
Yeah.
entertainment. People will come to enjoy the entertainment.
You know,
Yeah,
I don't know if I have to put this on the camera.
a lineup which was not this. It was a different lineup. You know, but I had made sure that I want like south and north. That two things.
साउथ में क्या पकड़े तुमने? केरला पकड़ा सीधा.
हाँ, तो मेरे को स्टार्टिंग से ही था. So we got the north, we got the south, and like we got like a girl who's also really good in Bollywood, like
Yeah.
Jonita Gandhi.
Yeah.
So obviously, all of those magical moments that you see, it happened with her.
Yeah.
So that was the cherry on the top.
Yeah. She just held the crowd beautifully.
Yes.
It was my first time seeing her interacting, seeing her in person. And the way she managed the place and her background dancers as well, they were so good. Last tak bhi bichari hafte dance kar rahe the, but it was so good.
No, it was a very nice curated show.
Yeah.
It was very nicely thoughtfully. And look, if it's a nice show, I feel people will eventually turn up. But yes, there are challenges. Registration कैसी होगी, parking कैसी होगी,
Yes.
धूप है नहीं है. So these are factors.
Yeah.
But eventually they all
The gates kept on changing for us. It was like
I had 2 weeks of marketing, only 2 weeks
yeah,
of
yeah,
marketing.
yeah. I know that.
And I went all out. Like I made sure that all the content creators that are known in Desi content creators, they are getting a care package. They are talking about it on stories. I made sure all the associations are closed, happy. Like there are 25, 30 associations, big ones. Okay. I made sure all of them get their due credit. Like, जो भी चाहिए उनको, I met their demands. Like, whatever it was, I tried my best at my level. भाई उनको कुछ ना कुछ करना है. VIP passes, backstage access, XYZ. I spoke to like multiple PR companies. I took my approval of the bosses and they gave me like, okay, go all out. Like, like around 5-6 strategies that I know from my advertising background. I did everything to make this like, to bring this crowd. And I told every association, every community group that make videos, share it with all the communities. Because see, the thing is what happens is a lot of people are not a part of association.
Yeah.
So for that, there are content creators.
Yeah.
So content creators ने वहाँ संभाला, association ने संभाला. I went to like speak to the labor camps also, like because they also, for them also, they are a part of India. Right?
Yeah.
So I spoke to them. I told them that please come. This is a free event. So I like obviously there was crowd from them as well. And like I tried to like help them out in any way I can. As like, okay, we'll do like a talent show after this and all of that. So I reached out to everything possible I knew from advertising to like make this thing
Work.
together. Yes.
Yeah.
Because in terms of like logistics, planning, permits and all of that, there was the support of Hamaroy. Like in terms of like scripts, like the artist and all of that, there was Mariam, Mara, other teams. But marketing, like I only had like those 2 weeks. So marketing mein I had to go all out in terms
Yeah.
of like free event hai. Marketing होने ही
और
वाली है,
place
but
भी
people should
heart
know.
of Dubai.
Yeah.
Place was awesome. ये अपनी ट्वीगा वहीं पे रहती है. So she was like, yeah, I could feel the vibration. I could
Yes.
hear the noise. फिर जाके देखा and I was like so happy seeing ourselves there.
Yes.
That was very nice of you to do that. Yeah, I've needed that. But thank you so much. And it was wow event, and we are looking forward for the next one.
Yeah.
It's going
Now
to be
this
even
is an
better.
IP, inshallah, for all of us. Inshallah, we would love to do it again.
Inshallah, we all are there always for y'all. दूसरा अभी so much into content creation. You guys are known for content creation. 1 मिनट का ही रील बनाते हो ना तुम लोग. क्या ही काम रहेगा
कभी
तुम
कभी
लोगों को?
3 मिनट की भी बना रहे
और क्या ही काम रहे 3 ही मिनट यार. कम ऑन. उसमें क्या ज्यादा काम लगता है उसमें?
काम
आई एम अ
तो लगता
कंटेंट क्रिएटर टू. मेरे पास तो ये चीजें आ रही है.
हाँ, टाइम तो लगता है.
ऑब्वियसली लगता है, पता है मेरे को. बताओ इन लोगों को कैसे टाइम लगता है. वो जो शाउट आउट भी पूछते हैं या नॉर्मल वीडियो बनानी होती है, कितना टाइम लगता है, क्या होता है उस 1 मिनट के पीछे. शेयर योर इनसाइट्स.
So for me, it's a mix and match. कभी कभी 20 to 30 minutes या उससे भी कम टाइम में हो जाता है.
दैट्स द शॉर्टेस्ट.
हाँ, और कभी टाइम लगता है बिकॉज द टाइम्स यू गॉट टू इंश्योर सर्टन फैक्ट्स. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं कि यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट प्रॉपरली.
ओके.
एंड अगेन इट वेरीज फ्रॉम कंटेंट टू कंटेंट. समटाइम्स इट्स
हाउ लॉन्ग इज लॉन्ग फॉर यू?
3.5-4 minutes. But when I say 3.5-4 minutes, that means there is the process that goes behind it. That's 3.5 and 4 minutes is usually a proper interview that we do, or a very explainer video that we would do. That then of course requires, one, you got to hunt a beautiful story, and you have to make sure you coordinate, you get the right timing, and get the right person to film them, and most importantly get the story out of it. So it's not a lot of pre-planning. For me, I do everything impromptu. It's like, don't worry, I'll come to you and we'll sort it out. So we'll come and get you to talk. And so sometimes people talk for 15 minutes. Sometimes they speak for 40 minutes. Sometimes it's 50 minutes. So imagine getting a 3 or 3.5 minute video out of a 40-minute recorded interview. Is not easy. It's
Yeah,
like,
obviously.
those are difficult days.
Yeah.
It's like it takes days and days to just transcribe it. So I'm not someone, for my style is I transcribe everything. Everything. And then I go back and I see, okay, so this is what I need to get out of it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So it's not 1 minute.
So it's not
never
1 minute.
it's
or-
never
Zalimo,
1
it's
minute.
not 1 minute.
Yes.
ऐसे बोलो.
Yes. It's not 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's a lot of networks that you do. And sometimes we do what you call street interviews.
Yeah.
So that means you're going out on the street, you're getting people, you're convincing them. So you don't know
People will be
anybody.
like, no, please.
So there's
no
a
camera.
random. So there's a
करते हैं?
random.
Especially
बिल्कुल.
desis.
हाँ.
Especially this.
हाँ,
तो अच्छा
please,
होता है।
कैमरा नहीं, go, ऐसे.
अच्छा, मजे
Maybe
की
आप
चीज ये
बोलते
है,
हैं?
मेरे साथ 2% होता है ऐसा. Majority of the times people are comfortable. So I've also learned it's just the art of starting the conversation with them. You never start the conversation with them for a video. You start another conversation and then you tell them very politely. Agar they're okay, they're okay. And other than that, if they're not comfortable for the camera, then they politely refuse.
They refuse. Okay.
So those are also, so that means you're walking on the street, you take your sweet time. You have to, for instance, you're on the streets for 3 to 4 hours at a stretch, hunting for people, observing. So my eyes do the talking first. So I just have to, okay, is this person going to be comfortable talking? How is he sitting? Is he eating? Is he on the phone? Is he with his friend? Is he selling something? Because if you're on the, you look at shops. And then you look for the right moment to approach.
हाँ.
So just like an eagle approaches its prey, we do the right timing so you get the story out of them.
Okay.
And that's how we do other things as well. When we look at things that are happening around the UAE and Pakistan, you look at what is the kind of story that we should tell people.
Yeah,
What are the
relatable.
kind of stories that will put a smile or would be like, oh wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Or it's going to
Yeah.
inspire.
Yeah.
Or it's going to create a difference. Or it's going to raise some kind of awareness.
I loved one concept of yours, वो salad wala. The salad video of yours.
That was good.
You made the raita.
Yeah, I made that.
And I was like, he's looking at him, इनको खाना बनाना आता है करके.
Yeah.
So would you like to add on something to what Mariam said? 1 minute में और क्या लगता है तुम्हारा?
Yeah.
वो ये वाला मुझे बताओ कि no please वाला, कि no videos. जब street वाला recording करते हो.
See, when I feel like that is right because Mariam, she has experience. She is into this for like 4 years now. For me, like I still struggle with getting people to talk on the street when I'm asking them. But I find a way, like I connect with them. I know what to say. But for me, it is difficult because I'm a guy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. ये कौन है ये flirt करने आ गया है
exactly.
करके?
Because when you'll see like when I approach on streets, mostly guys like are open to talk to me. If I go to a girl, they'll be like, okay, this guy is approaching
Yeah,
me.
who's this handsome guy
Exactly.
hitting on me?
So that's why like for girls, they know that it is actually something like they are more receptive. So that is there, right?
Maybe वो Emirates Love का वो tag लेके चलना पड़ेगा फिर.
People,
do that.
yeah.
Fake भी हो सकता है किसको मालूम ना. सही है. The kind of events you guys are doing, I'm sure
Yeah.
by next year तो पूरी सबको by heart हो जाएगा.
So ये
Because when
debut
I
है ना?
approached schools, there, like you said, there were schools who didn't know about Emirates Love, but when I said Emirates Love India पता है ना आपको? हाँ पता है. मैं उनके साथ इवेंट है.
Yeah.
तो फिर वैसे क्लोज किया मैंने
Yeah.
जो नए वाले थे उनको ऐसे.
So that's what, like, still, going on the street is still difficult, right? Because it's like outside it's heat. Like, people are busy going somewhere. Dubai is not like it's not a laid back city. People like are hustling. Everybody's working.
Yeah.
So if somebody like takes out 2 minutes of my time, I don't want that. I'm busy with my life. Right?
Yeah.
So we have to actually gauge that, and slowly I figured it out, because initially I was very much hesitant. I did not know how to do it, but now I have figured it out what works, what doesn't work.
Okay.
So
Mastered the art now.
yeah,
But I find street interviews much easier and simpler. I don't know why.
Is it impromptu हो जाता है ना आप
Impromptu and I don't know, हो जाता है
actual
लोगों को
feelings
मान
आते हैं,
जाता है।
expressions लिए
I
मालूम
get
पड़ते हैं उसमें।
वो लोग कन्विंस हो जाते हैं and basically वो मेरा उस टाइम पीरियड में I get to do more
Yeah.
and then I create a bank. That means I'm relaxed.
Okay, that's awesome.
Mariam is known for her like street interview style, real stories, as I said. And like, see, the thing is, the content, if you see and if you know us, you will find out our personalities.
Correct.
Like, you know, you'll get to know our personalities, what kind of people we are. So you'll see like more, will be like more acting, a little bit of comedy, like, you know. But if you see Emirates Loves Pakistan, you will find out more journalistic, more real stories, more inspiring stories. So that kind of shows the different kind of things we like. So it comes on our page.
I think that's the beauty, and then we end up, you know, then it's a
Creating
team.
the beautiful
And,
content.
you know, with the team comes together. That's the beauty, that every country has its own dynamics of doing things.
Besides content creation, what are your other hobbies?
I love reading and I do community service.
Wow, that's what you do. Amazing. How about you?
I love acting. So I'm always finding opportunities to do theater and some type of comedies, reels, XYZ. Like I love to work out. I love to take care of myself. So that's it.
So that is what you do.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your future plans with yourself?
Future plans, I would love to do good storytelling, social impact storytelling, as I do. And I would like to pursue a PhD.
Okay, inshallah.
Inshallah. Yeah.
Dr. Mariam is gonna be soon. Inshallah. We're manifesting for you. How about you, Shahid? Mohammed?
I don't know. I'd like to travel more.
You
I've
like
not
to
traveled, you know. And I'd like to start something of my own. Like, you know, maybe like a small cafe or
Wow. Entrepreneur there.
yeah, a small cafe, but with like utilities. Like, you know, it's not just a cafe. You come there, you enjoy some games, something like that.
Okay, that's good. He wants to make people happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before we, go to this next part, I wanted to understand, how does your day really look like? I know it was difficult getting you all on board, but content creation is what you all do. Isme kya hi busy rehna is people say.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So
who's going to start?
yeah. So
You?
I'll say what it is. Ours is like real groundwork, like, you know, real stories, finding out stories. If you go to see our page, you'll see real people talking.
Yeah.
Okay. So finding that is very difficult. Like, you know, somebody who has, and then to deem it, okay, this will excite people, inspire people, or make people happy. So that's what we divide. Like,
That's how it is.
That's how it is. So it's about UAE, India, UAE, Pakistan. That's how it is. So ours is like real work, and I believe that we inspire people. Like, content creation has to do either one of these things. Like, you know, either inspire people, either make them happy, or entertain them.
Yeah.
So that's what I believe. It's not just like
You guys are doing all three.
yeah, we try to do.
You're trying to
yeah,
do.
we try to do.
Okay.
Yeah, because it takes real work. That's what it is.
So how does your day look like if you had to really put it up very quickly?
Okay, so first is like, you know,
We want to know about your skincare routine.
yeah,
चमकता हुआ कोरियन स्किन के बारे में
वैसा
बताओ.
तो ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं यार. बस पानी पियो, moisturize and
झूठे?
use.
सच्ची बताओ.
See, okay, maybe on weekends you can just like apply a face mask or something. Okay, and then in the
With that you get the skin. इनका तो जेनेटिक लगता है मेरे को.
हाँ, इनका तो genetic है obviously.
हाँ.
But don't consume too much junk food. Drink enough water. In morning you apply moisturizers and sunscreen, and in the night you apply like retinol or something like that. That's it.
Retinol or something like that क्या होता है?
You actually want me to give you the product? Just say it. I'll give you.
We're not endorsing anyone.
Yeah.
So you do apply beautiful to look this handsome. You have
obviously,
to follow
like,
a skincare routine,
yeah,
right?
but because I mean, my job is to face the camera, right?
But
So-
even if it is not, then you have to take care of your skin.
Yeah,
isn't it?
exactly. Like, you know,
that
I
is
don't
what-
want to be like-
we're breaking taboos.
Yes.
And Mohammed is breaking taboos here. Shahid.
yes.
Okay, so how does your day start?
So day starts with, like, you know, figuring out what kind of stories I want to do today. So I will always, we are always like 1 or 2 weeks ahead of schedule. So I will always, like, you know, okay, these are the 3 stories that I want to do in this week or next week. Okay. So I will write them down. I'll contact that person. I'll fix the schedule in the day itself. I want to maximize my days. So whatever I do is, I will be like, I'll talk to them and I'll tell them that, okay, from 2 to 3, we'll do this. From 4 to 5, we'll do this. So
Okay.
in a day, I'll do like 4 shoots, 3 shoots.
Okay.
Okay. And then rest of the days, my editor will edit. And I will be busy, like, you know, looking for more stories. Okay. And then there are these campaigns, and there's, like, you know, some sort of, like, you know, work that we can find out, like some new stories that we can do. There's always something or the other, some brief which has come. So that's how it is.
That's how the whole day.
Yeah.
And I know उसके
Yeah,
पीछे
yeah.
जाता है callings वगैरह
Calling
में,
जाता
follow
है,
ups and all.
scripting, follow up, yes,
Yeah.
this, that.
Cool. So
So-
that's how it is. How about you, Mariam?
I love to make breakfast.
Wow.
And days where are crazy days where you have to run, like you have to run because of traffic and all these things. So that I miss. So days where I am flexible, yes, I love cooking. I try to do what I can. And then work, it's fine. I don't know why. I find I'm able to get stories. Yes, writing needs attention. It needs focus. Then scheduling at times I feel also needs that, you know, back and forth and getting the right. So it's a mix and match. There are days where we're able to do 3 stories in a day or 2 stories in a day. And then there are days where at the end of the day, I feel if you're a writer, there's something called writer's block.
Yeah.
There are days I can't, and I just say I just don't know what to do and how to do. And being very honest, you just don't know what to do kind
Yeah.
of days. So the day, and then let me say some things that are mandatory that happens is no matter how busy I am with anything at work, my community service is always up there at the parallel. So I'm always in touch with the team. There's always some kind of something's happening that you got to, you know, take care of things, or you're involved in anything. Either it can be meeting people, grooming your team, or whatever it is. But that's something that's always run in the parallel. And then I have a family. So
Yeah.
I have a husband that needs time and attention. And I have other family members as well that also need time and attention. And I feel very bad that I am so occupied with these things that you're unable to give time. And for me, I'm an introvert. So I prefer staying home. I prefer remaining in that small circle that I have. And I would like to exercise more that I miss.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that
You want
which
to
is
add
what I
that
want
to your
to.
routine.
Yeah, I need to do that.
Okay. Mariam, you went through a whole day. I just talked about work. I mean, if that's the case, my day also.
That's what she asked.
Yeah, that's what
I just talked about
So
work.
I was like, he's just
Okay.
working. Yeah,
So
मेरे दिन गधा मुझे नहीं कर
नहीं
रहा
नहीं खाली काम नहीं है, मेरा भी ऐसा नहीं है, खाली काम करता हूँ.
अब
सुबह
बताओ
मैं
मैं.
मोस्टली उठ के like 6-7 बजे उठता हूँ. I go to workout. That's important. Yes.
Good boy.
Very nice.
Workout is important. Yes. Then like having some nice breakfast. Then as I told you that, you know, writing, finding out stories, editing, going on shoots. After work, I usually have my acting work. Like, you know, I try to like, you know, go to a theater and like, you know, do some work rehearsals. I have other content creators who I'm always asking for work. Like, you know, okay, like, you know, let's do a reel, let's do this, let's do that. And then yeah, like, you know, some days I'll attend some comedy show.
Oh,
Like, you know, I like to be with people, like, you know,
socialize.
yes, socialize, like, you know, some days like I'd like to party, like, you know, that's how it is. So yeah, it's fun.
रात को खाना.
हाँ, See, the thing is, that's what I don't have. What Mariam has, I don't have a family, so
We
I
are
don't
your
have a
family.
fixed time. Huh?
We are your family now.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't have a fixed time. I can eat whenever I
And you
want.
don't have one thing about this before we wind up, we'll lose out on the myths wala, but we'll wind it up in another 3-4 minutes. Creative जो part है आप लोगों का, you know, you guys are social butterflies. Okay, one thing I like about Mariam, and which is very much similar to me, I do not have a social circle. It is all work. At the end of the day, it's my husband and me. And that's it. I cannot go out with coffee to anyone. Ki chalo chill karne. I cannot. I do not have. So that is me. Like I'm highly introvert. जितनी extrovert हूँ उतनी introvert हूँ मैं.
You
So I
don't
want to-
look like an introvert, to be honest.
I
Like,
never had a friend all my life. Not even a single
never
person.
had, and the choosing to not have, that's
नहीं नहीं
different.
अभी I'm not choosing. I never used to have. I was a big time introvert. Teachers didn't know I existed in the classroom.
Yeah.
It's just this 7-8 years I've been out there. I fought. मतलब बात भी नहीं करने आता था. ये तो I used to I used to have speech issues as well. English तो आती नहीं थी. Speech issues भी थे. I used to have all kind of things and I fought all of that. इन्हें करना सोच अभी. So that is how I have reached here. So how about you? Do you have that social circle for yourself that ये मेरे चड्डी बड्डी है मैं इनके साथ खाना पीना खाऊंगा?
So as I told you, I just came here 1 year ago. Last September I came
कितना
here.
टाइम लगता है चड्डी बड्डी बनाने?
यार मुझे तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. I only have like 1 friend, 2 friends over here, but I try to mingle with everybody. Like, you know, I don't have any like hesitations or inhibitions that I don't want to like talk to them or XYZ. Like, you know, I would love to like go out, but I would like to have more friends because all my friend groups
work.
are back in Mumbai. So over here I have like very small group, but I want to have more friends.
You want
over
to
here,
have, okay,
inshallah.
that is his choice then.
Yes.
Okay, हमको लगता है कि ज़्यादा दोस्त मतलब ज़्यादा सर में दर्द. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. But then I prefer giving time to my family.
I've not reached that stage yet. That's why I'm still in my 20s, no?
एज बता के ये बंदा मेरे को बुढ़ापा की याद दिला रहा है.
अच्छा नहीं मज़े की चीज़ ये है कि जैसे आपने कहा ना so for myself I have a very small network. There's just like say 4 to 5 friends from school and 4 to 5 friends from college that I'm in touch with, and that's your comfort zone.
Okay,
That's
you do
all.
have that. Okay.
I do, but of course everyone is so busy, so you meet you see them after 3 months or 4 months, or it's just at an occasion. So it's not that okay, come let's go for coffee or let's go for brunch. Oh no, not at
We
all.
don't have time as well for that.
So, but then I strongly believe कि जहाँ आप होते हो you build that relationship.
Right.
So where I do community service, I have a good team, and I treat people eventually. You know, they become your family. So you do spend good time.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
all work, no?
same at our office as well. So days where I tell them let's have breakfast together or let's eat lunch together. So for me I consider that is also your
Yeah.
time where you can relax and unwind.
Because we are all that into that with people. We are mostly socializing.
Yeah.
So जितने लोगों के साथ हैं, we prefer कि उनका हम memories बना दें हर
जी,
एक बंदे के साथ. So
agreed.
that is what we are. पर मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ कि like ये सब फिर भी काम के नीचे आता है. ये एक है जो यार मेरा सुकून है. You know, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ my husband is the सुकून for me. I do not want anybody else other than my husband in my life. तो मतलब वैसा वाला. So you know, it's family at the end of the day. वो
It is
scene.
at the
हाँ.
end of the day.
So I'm glad you guys shared so much. MashaAllah, the content. This is the longest podcast ever.
Yeah, really? Wow.
Yeah, we don't do such lengthy ones. It is
Okay.
cut. मैं पहले ही आप लोगों को बोलना भूल गई कि कट शॉर्ट करना होता है सारा. But we had a lot of details. That's good.
हमारा पहला पॉडकास्ट है, ठीक है ना? तो just
So
we didn't
yeah,
know
yeah,
much
yeah.
of this.
So ये लोग नहीं आए ना, वरना ये लोग खत्म 5 minutes 10 minutes
The
करके आते.
thing
आज
is-
नहीं आए, देखा तुमने? तुम लोगों से मोहब्बत हो गई इन लोगों को. जालिम
The
लोग हैं
thing
ये.
is, we have to like honesty. I believe in honesty. Mariam also believes
Yeah,
in
yeah,
honesty, right?
And
So
I
फिर-
want genuinity. That's what I want. You know, I get that from my this.
Yeah.
That's why I took so much time talking to y'all because I haven't met y'all in that contest. So it was difficult for me to understand what's behind going on
Yeah.
in your minds. Then I had to put down that कि इसी को ऐसे हम करते हैं करके. But I'm glad we did this, and thank you so much for taking out your time.
you.
And thank you,
Thank you
Shahid,
so
for
much.
keeping your phone aside for a good 45 minutes. Oh my God,
Thank
that's
you
too
so
much.
much. Thank
Mariam was always kind though. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में बोल रही हूँ. तुम जब से आए हो, हाँ, okay.
No, he's in that phase.
Yeah,
Yeah.
अभी
Let's give him that
मेरा
benefit of doubt.
literally
अब मैं दे रही हूँ फैमिली अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं हम लोग
इवेंट खत्म हुआ नहीं तो I'm not like that.
हाँ,
Like
वैसा नहीं है,
obviously.
he's pretty
I know,
chill.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm pulling your leg, पापा. Post event, I know वो चलता रहेगा 2 हफ्ते तक तो होगा
दो
तुम्हें.
हफ्ते तक
हाँ हाँ,
चलेगा.
2 weeks is the time.
अच्छा फिर एक हफ्ते बाद जो है ना इसको डिप्रेशन भी होगा
हाँ, कि
क्योंकि
काम नहीं
इतना- हाँ
He has to go through that. Let him go through
but
that.
I think for him I want him to enjoy. I wish someone had told me that, but I would tell you कि बस keep watching
Yeah.
and do your other things.
It gets through it. Especially workaholics like us, we cannot stay like that. Sudden से काम के बाद कुछ भी नहीं ना, you start thinking about all the negative things, and it is a procedure proper. So you'll enjoy that. Let me know, okay, when you are like that.
So we'll be there.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, guys.
Thank
So, thank you so much for being here. We'll wrap it up here. Thank you, everyone, for watching. That's Aisha Sheikh from the podcast Aisha with Aisha. Thanks to our partners, Procast Studio Dubai, AMJ Digitech Solution, your one-stop solution for all your printing, designing, and digital marketing needs, and Takeoff Tours. That's a wrap up.